Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to work on installing the new door panel. So looking forward to getting those on, making the car look a little bit more complete. So let's get started. Okay, for all you new Foxbody owners, the door panel is actually quite simple to install and remove. It's basically just held into place with a bunch of plastic push plugs. Just make sure those plugs are in good shape when you remove the panel and go to put it back in, because those are what hold the panel nice and tight to the door frame. All right, so let's get this guy on. Clear the door handle there. Gonna get it through the little lock. Kind of want to tilt it a little bit on an angle, and you just kind of push that guy down. Okay, now that the top's in place, we're good. The rest is pretty straightforward. You're just gonna feel for those push plugs and drive them in. It's as easy as that. Okay, so this little guy down here, that's gonna take the panel secure. There's gonna be one more little screw down here to secure the panel in place, but other than that, the panel's looking good, nice and tight. Just adding that little screw that I talked about at the bottom. It's just a regular star screw. And this is gonna finish securing the panel. That's it. Okay. Moving on to the armrest section. The armrest has these little metal hooks that kind of just drop into place. So I'll show you in a second. And then the armrest gets held by two 10 mil kind of like bolt head screws here, and then two more screws on the outside. So you just want to place this guy on an angle, push him up a bit, and then he drops into place like so. 10 mil bolt. And he's gonna go and catch a speed clip. All right, I'm just gonna snug everything down, make sure it's good. That's good. Good. Screws on the end. Snug. Snug. Get rid of some oils on my hands. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna move on to this little guy next. All right. There we go. And a little screw for it. There we go. Just takes one little screw here in the middle. Just kind of screws into place, and that's all that holds it in. So last piece of the puzzle is the window crank. It's a very simple system that just kind of splits open. You got one little Torx head. It's a T20. Screws into there and then covers back up. So let's get that guy on there. Okay. That, I got it taken. you out for the door handle. Window functions nice and smooth. Really good. Okay, so the door panel is done. I'm missing these two plugs here, the little mirror cover there. I gotta order those pieces in. I'm going to repeat the process on the passenger side, and that's it for today. In the next video, I'm going to tackle the rear quarter panels. That should be interesting, trying to get around the roll bars and the mini tub, so we'll see how that goes. Other than that, I appreciate the support. Subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.